This is how to make the basic handheld gaming device. So start by getting the breadboard, place it in the middle of the breadboard, and make sure to leave a gap underneath it. Now you're going to grab these resistors, and what these will do is prevent this screen from damaging and hopefully make it last longer. Place them in pin 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So grab the wire bundle and pull out 5 wires. Make sure to keep the colors so they're going the right way all the way down. Place them underneath each resistor, like that. And you can just leave the other side out for now. Do the same thing and get 3 wires. Put this first one to the right of this resistor, so just there. And leave the other side out, and then get the next one, place it to the right of that wire. And get the final one and do the exact same thing. Now, the wire on the very right, so for me it's red, I'm just going to pop that into the middle, so above this brown wire, which is the one in between the orange. Grab the brown wire and place it into ground on the Arduino. So VIN ground should be right here. Then grab the next, which is, for me it's orange, and place it into 3.3V. So it's the 5th, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now grab all of these and make sure it's in the right order. So for me it's red, brown, black, white, and grey. And you're just going to bridge this across and place them. Place the first, so this grey one here is going to go into pin 8. And then the next is going to go into 9, 10, 11, and then 12. So like this. And last but not least, the button pad. So get these first 2. So red and brown. So this first one is going to be positive. So for me it's red, as you can see. So that's going to go into 5 volts, so 5V. And that is right next to 3.3V. Okay, and then the next is brown for me. So get this brown one. Place that into GND, which should be in between all these wires here. Okay, and then you're just going to do the exact same thing that we did with the screen. So it's black on this side and green on the other. So make sure that it stays the same. So in order, so black, white, grey, black, white, grey, purple, blue, yep, that's right. And you're just going to place this first one into 7 and just have them going down. So this black is 7, white is 6, grey is 5, purple is 4, 3, and then 2. So as you can see, black, white, grey, purple, blue, and green. It's the exact same colors, so 3rd to 8th. Now all you have to do is plug this into the extension cable. That's really important. Plug this into here. Get anything with a USB port on it. Plug it in. And sometimes it might look a little dark, and that's all we have to do is just turn down the contrast. But if you look closely, you can see that it works. And if you click this red button here, it resets it. So you just go back to the start, custom name. In the next episode, I'll just teach you how you can customize it and how you can change the contrast.